Hey, today we are making a unique and flavorful chicken curry recipe straight from Assam. And the main ingredient it's the banana flour. This dish is perfect if you're looking for a dry style chicken curry with something unusual and healthy. First things first, let's prep the banana flour. Peel off the outer layer until you get to the tender inner bunches of florets. These tiny flowers are actually that eventually grow into the bananas. Each little florets has two parts you will want to remove. A thin stick-like part called the pistil and a translucent cover called the calyx. This will remove the bitterness and make it easier to digest. Once you have done that for all of them, oh yes, it will take time, but it's worth it. Gather them up and chop them roughly. To keep them from turning black due to oxidation, soak the chopped banana flowers in a bowl of water mixed with about a tablespoon of vinegar. This trick helps keep them looking fresh and vibrant. Then toss them in a pressure cooker with little water and cook for one whistle on high flame. Once done, squeeze out all the extra water and set them aside. We will need them shortly. Heat some mustard oil in a kadhai. Make sure to let the oil reach its smoking point. This helps mellow out the strong mustardy aroma. Once the oil is ready, toss in a bay leaf and a dry red chili for tempering. The aroma will start to build right away. Next, add one medium onion thinly sliced and fry on high heat until it turns a lovely golden brown. Add in a generous spoonful of ginger paste and garlic paste and saute until the raw smell disappears. This step adds a deep earthy base to the curry. Now, add your chicken cut into small pieces. Traditionally, this recipe uses pigeon meat, but chicken works beautifully as a more accessible alternative. Alongside the chicken, add potatoes cut into quarters. Fry both the chicken and potatoes over medium heat until they get a nice golden color. This helps lock in the flavors and add a bit of texture. Once that's looking good, lower the heat and add the cooked banana flour along with the masalas like turmeric powder, red chili powder for the heat, coriander powder, cumin powder, fennel seed powder, garam masala and some salt to taste. Give everything a good mix and fry all together for about 3 to 4 minutes. You want the spices to cook through and coat everything evenly. Your kitchen should be smelling amazing by now. Then pour in about 1 cup of hot water. Stir and bring it to a boil. Then cover the pan and let it simmer for about 20 minutes until the chicken and potatoes are cooked through and tender. Don't forget to fish out the bay leaf at this point. It's done its job. Also, cut a potato to see if it's done. Add a few chopped green chilies for that final kick and continue cooking until the curry reduces down to a dry, rich consistency. Once the chicken curry is thick and rich to your liking, sprinkle in some freshly crushed black pepper and take it off the heat. Serve this flavorful chicken curry with banana flour, hot, paired with steamed rice or your favorite Indian bread like roti or paratha. It's earthy, hearty, and packed with bold Assamese flavor that will leave everyone asking for seconds. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy cooking!